guys, what's up? It's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing the 2018 April Sephora Play box. So if you don't already know, this box is $10 a month. You get about 5 beauty items. They send you items based off of a beauty quiz. Kind of just like Ipsy, but the items are all pretty well-known brands because they're from Sephora. But anyways, I have not opened this up. I haven't looked at it. I didn't look at any spoilers. So these are going to be my real first impressions, and I'm so excited to get to looking inside. Alright, so I already opened it, but I didn't look. Alright, so when you open it up, you get this little pamphlet, but I'm not going to look in the pamphlet because the pamphlet tells you all the items that you got and what they're for and the full price size. And it also comes with 50 extra beauty insider points, so when you go to Sephora you could use this on a purchase and get an extra 50 beauty insider points, which is nice. Alright, so this is the bag. It says make it snappy. Okay, make it snappy. Interesting. Really cute. Has some nice green ribbon. Let's get to opening it up. I'm so excited. Okay, first thing we pull out is, I don't know what this is. Interesting. Dr. Dennis Gross. Fight wrinkles while you sleep. Frulic and retinol. Interesting. Oh god. It's like, I mean, this is cool. I mean, I only have like one wrinkle like right in the middle of my forehead that will not go away. Yes, I'm 24, almost 24 years old, and I already have a wrinkle. I almost forgot how old I am. So when you open this up, you get 2 of these. They're actually wrinkle recovery peel. And you use them at night. Massage treatment pads onto clean, dry skin. Blah, blah, blah. Interesting. So that's kind of cool. I'm excited to try that. I love skincare items and things like that. So, I mean, this is kind of cool. We'll see how my skin feels in the morning after I use this. Alright. Opening it up. Next thing I pull out is from Xoxo. Xoxo is like a lip. I'm pretty sure they're like mostly lip products. So, it's Plump Up the Volume. So I'm guessing this is a lip plumper. Open. Ooh, it's super cute. The color is Celeste, and it looks like this when you open it up. Wow, I really want to, oh, this is a tiny, this is a tiny lip gloss. That's really tiny. Smells good. I'm not going to try it out. I don't even want to swatch it because I feel like a whole swatch is going to just be the whole bottle. But I'll just swatch it anyway. So it's a pretty, like, a sheer kind of gloss with a little bit of glitter in it, which is cute, but this is, like, really tiny. So, okay. Next thing, let's see what we got. Oh, it's a perfume sample. It's My Burberry. It's in the fragrance blush. I like getting perfume samples, actually, because I'm finally making the transition from body sprays to, like, actual perfume, because I'm not a teenager anymore. Nothing wrong with body sprays, but, like, I think it's time for me to start wearing real lady perfume, you know? So let's give it a spray. I like it. I actually really like it. Huh. That's nice. Cool. Alright. Moving on to the next thing. Let's reach in. What's this? I see a box. It is from Purity. It's Purity Made Simple Moisturizer from Philosophy. Cool. I really needed a new moisturizer. Is this not for your face, though? Skin looks glowy, dewy, and smooth with less visible pores. In 3 days, see makeup optional skin. Interesting. Let's see how big this sample is. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Now that's really tiny. Oh my goodness. I actually received something from Philosophy before in the Sephora Play box, and it was an eye cream, and I still use that. So even though a sample could be tiny, sometimes you could get a lot of uses out of it. But I guess it doesn't say if you're supposed to use it on your face, but I mean, I'll try it. Woo, I almost dropped it. Ooh. It doesn't have a smell, but it's super jelly-like. It reminds me a little bit of the Clinique Gel Moisturizer, the yellow one. Alright, well that's kind of cool. Oh my god! Okay, we have 2 more things left. I thought we only had 1 more thing left. I was about to be sad. Alright, what is this? Okay. It's from Kiehl's. These are super tiny samples. Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It doesn't even tell you what it's for. Well, for line reducing. I'm guessing I could put that right on my wrinkle in the middle of my face. So this is like another wrinkle cream thing. I'll give it a go, and maybe I'll pass it on to my mom, or maybe my mom could try one of these, because I don't really need that many like wrinkle creams. I do want some just to have, but I mean, this is tiny. I mean, I'll try it. We'll see. All right, last thing in my bag is from Makeup Forever. It's the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. So I really hope this is a decent sized sample. It's in the shade number 606. It's so tiny again. It is so tiny. That's cool. I mean, I really like skin tints and tinted moisturizers. Ooh, it's really nice, like a lotion almost. That might be my shade. Oh, hold on, the train's coming. 1 second. Okay, we're back. So, that's everything that I got in my Sephora Play box. We got the tinted moisturizer from Makeup Forever. We got the wrinkle recovery peels. We got the Buxom plumper lip gloss, and we got the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and the Burberry fragrance. Wow. This box is kind of for me, because where's the makeup? I got 2 makeup things and the rest skincare. I mean, I love makeup and I love skincare, but I want a little bit more makeup. So what am I trying to do? This doesn't go there. So, I mean, I think for this month, Ipsy might have won. If you haven't seen my Ipsy video, I'll link it below. But this is the Ipsy from April as well. And for the same price, I'm going to have to say that Ipsy won for this month for me. Who knows what will happen next month? I mean, next month, who knows? Last month, I loved Sephora Play, and this month, I love Ipsy. So, you never know what you're going to get. It's super cool, though, to, at least try these things. But these are really tiny. But, yeah. So, whatever. It's all good. We got a couple things to try out. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming here and clicking on my video and checking it out. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe for me. It's free. It doesn't cost anything, and it'll mean so much. Also, while you're there, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like. I would really appreciate it. So, yeah, anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!